Rasta love. I Shenko bless up the I self, you know. Yeah, all of the ones, them, all of the word sound, you know. Let's sex all the Rasta people. You know, see it. It's the last year I know. No over bless up yourself, you know. Give eyes for the royal space, you know. Yes, I. Word sound and power. Yeah. Alright, so we're ready for the next artist, you know. A word sound is power. And without no further ado, you know, we're gonna call on stage the artist, you know. Word sound is power. Next to Malawi. Up.
Yeah. Give thanks, you know. Yeah, drive band. Yeah, this is Dexter Malawi, you know. So I may also be equipped with the simplistic, realistic, futuristic, artistic characteristic of a natural mystic. Right now, Evil Lion, big up yourself, you know, Supernova. It's a wonderful event to have, you know, Exile the Brave, LSX, Nanook, you know what I mean, Uncle Benji, seat up in the throne. Next to Malawi. Woke up this morning, and I am glad. Woke up this morning, and I am glad. Me glad. So watch ya. After I wake up in the morning and go down at the river go swim, I saw a cloud with a silver lining. Oh, the grass was green and the sun was shining, man. This was perfect timing. The children, where did I bring? Water from the spring. That's it. Just give thanks for the blessing. The water was cool and nice. I drank some lemonade with ice. Woke up this morning, and I am glad. Me glad. Woke up this morning, and I am glad. Me glad. Music vibes, and the reggae music vibes. Yeah, the reggae music vibes, it keeps us alive. The music vibes, yeah, the reggae music vibes, and the reggae music vibes, it keeps us alive. Alright then. Touch the stage, show the girl them see me and say me cute. Babylonian I get execute. Dog master see me and say do it cute. But the real Rastafari recruit. He be lion of the carrot and the beetroot. Dirty Babylonian me shoot. I tell her no, please shoot. When me touch the stage, show in a minute soon. Music vibes, and the reggae music vibes. Yo, the reggae music vibes, it keeps us alive. The music vibes, and the reggae music vibes. Yo, the reggae music vibes, it keeps us alive. I don't know, say yo. Make it with the simplistic, realistic, futuristic, artistic characteristic of a natural mystic. You see me, I said, share life, pick up yourself. Everybody know, come in again. So you want me now? So all who there so I play on the stage, all who down in the crowd, all who in the sun, out the door, the one way I want, see? Tell them we are one. Tell them we are one. Tell them we are one. We are one. We are one. Tell them we are one. Tell them we are one. Tell them we are one. We are one. Muslim, Jews and Christian, white man, black man, Indian, about 12 tribe and dingy man, soldiers and civilian, doctor, police and politician, motorcycle riders and pedestrian, the woman in the car, the man in the van, from the big to the oldest man. We are one. Tell them we are one. Tell them we are one. Tell them we are one. We are one. We are one. Tell them we are one. Tell them too you have come. And you had some of the juice made from beetroot and plum. Keep you and young. Give thanks for the blessings and do have fun. And ask forgiveness if you've done wrong. Take care of the blind, the deaf and dumb. Not one more grenade, tear gas, you not gun. We are one. Tell them we are one. Tell them we are one. Tell them we are one. We are one, one. We are one. Tell them we are one. Tell them we are one. Tell them we are one. We are one. Alright. Tree of life from creation. Would have blessed the earth with a divine meditation. Christ lead the people out of their frustration. I listen as I rule all nation. The blessing of Muhammad be with the African, European and the Asian. To balance life equation, no separation. One. We are one. Alright, so I'm going to go at the last one, this you know. Yard man's counting a Kangal hot. Make New York and London hot. Get involved in a bad man plot. Alright, let me tell you about Yardman hot stepper. Yardman head hot like pepper. And no snap back city. A Kangal hot man prefer. After smoking 10 pounds of in the car. Better be careful of the things to which you refer. Because if you reach